How to use AI in order to automate research workflows. Hello guys, today I want to share with you a tool that I stumbled upon, which is called OttoGrid. OttoGrid kind of reminds me of Clay, which is an AI-powered table tool that allows you to enrich data. It has many cool features and a lot of out-of-the-box templates that I wanted to share with you. I think it can be very useful for many different use cases. Let me go over a few of them. So for example, this is how it looks like. Let's say you want to create a research of different startups. Let's say you want to do lead generation for startups and you're specifically interested in AI startups. So what you can do here, you can create different tables. In this case, this is a table that consists of AI startup name, their website, core technologies, funding stage, the CEO of the company, which is called Adam Silverman. By the way, I found out about this product through Adam's post. If you're in the agentic space and interested in many updates, check out his Twitter account or his LinkedIn account, because he often updates about different improvements and innovations in the agent space. He's the founder of a company called Agent Ops. Anyway, so let's go back to the example. So we have the CEO, we have the recent news, we have the contact email, similar companies, and job openings. What we can do here, we can speak with the AI assistant and ask it to add different columns. Can you suggest more columns? Perhaps a cold outreach personalized for the prospect. So we're going to ask it to add a column over here. And then what we can start doing, we can add specific entities, companies, and it's going to automatically fill the whole table based on these parameters. And it's going to use different sources, so LinkedIn, web search, etc. You will see in a moment an example. And this is just only one use case. There are different use cases. So content strategy use case, cold outreach, I already mentioned, extracting and summarizing job details. I will show you in a moment a few more examples, but let's just cover this one. So this is the column that we're going to add, personalized outreach. This is the prompt. We can obviously adjust it. Craft a personalized cold outreach message, 200 to 250 words to the CEO of AI startup. Use the following structure: greetings, address of CEO, address CEO by name, introduction, personalization, referencing the core technologies and recent news to show you've done your research, and the value proposition, and then job openings if related, and closing. So this is what this column is going to contain. Now we can run this autofill, and it's going to craft an personalized outreach to specifically Alex based on the research news. Recent news, which agency is a company related to Agent Ops, or the same company. I'm not quite sure about the relationship between them. Agency recently secured the 2.6 pre-seed funding to enhance and scale its AI agent observer. Okay, so agency is a company name and Agent Ops is the name of one of their products. Now let's see what it generated. Hello, Adam. I hope this message finds you well. I am your name, and I'm deeply interested in AI startups that are revolutionizing agent technologies. I recently came across Agent Ops and was impressed by your work in enhancing AI agent observability and testing through your Python SDK and integration with leading frameworks like LangChain and AutoGrid. Amazing. So far, pretty accurate, except for the fact that it addressed Adam, while the email is related to the email that it found was Alex. The recent 2.6 million pre-seed funding round and expansion of Agent Ops AI integration capabilities are impressive strides. Your platform focuses on functionality, blah, blah, blah. And then it keeps on going. Pretty long, but this is pretty nice. Now let's take some of the competitors and let me show you how this can be scaled. So we have Crew AI and we have AutoGrid, for example. Let's add Crew AI. Crew AI. So I added the startup, and now it's automatically going to fill all these cells. And obviously this is scalable. We can also add, let's add LangChain. Let's add OttoGen. Although OttoGen is a open source project by Microsoft. Let's add n8n. Not exactly agentic AI, but let's add also make.com. Okay, and now it's going to start filling everything. So it fetched the website. This is the GrowAI website. By the way, if you hover on this and click, and so you get additional reasoning for why it chose this. So the official website provides information about the platform, its capabilities, use cases, and free trial option. Additional documentation can be found at the docs.growai.com. We have the sources, which is the website, the GitHub repo, and it also provides the confidence level, how accurate it feels regarding this the fetching of this data. So we have the funding stage, the core technologies, the CEO, which is correct, Joao Moura, and then a recent news, which is also correct. They just recently secured $80 million in funding. We can see here the recent news. GrowAI secured $80 million in funding with notable investors, including Bold Start Ventures and Inside Partners. They launched GrowAI Enterprise and partnered with IBM. And these are the sources, which is LinkedIn and another website which I don't know about. It couldn't find an email. It shares some competitors, so Cogniflow. Let's add Cogniflow here below. Some job openings by GrowAI, so AI engineer, senior full stack software, etc. And this is the email crafted for Joao. I hope this message finds you well. I'm deeply passionate about powering AI startups, particularly those pushing the boundaries of AI agents. When I came across GrowAI, etc., and the list goes on. Congratulations on securing $80 million in funding from Bold Start Ventures, etc. And you can see here, it keeps on filling all the rest of the rows. So LangChain, OttoGen, n8n, etc. So this is one use case for lead generation. Another use case is for content strategy. So I copied this template. This is basically a content strategy for creators that does product reviews, but let's adjust it to my own needs. So content item is AI agents. I'm looking for topic ideas, target platform. Let's remove this because it's not relevant for what I need. Content format, news and highlights, and collaboration/guest, not relevant. Let's remove. Now let's look for a different idea. No code automation for Leadgen. So this is a content item. Now it's going to suggest topic ideas. Which platforms should I publish this content on? Performance metrics, not crucial. We can remove this. Content format, news and highlights. Let's add another thing, please. Provide. Let's create another column with 3 potential. So we're going to create another column with potential headlines. This is the function, create column. Based on the content item and the topic idea, generate 3 potential catchy headlines. This is from the original instructions of this specific template. We can remove this. Okay, now let's add this, and it's going to run. it's going to create this autofill and it's going to suggest headlines. We can also ask it to create scripts, prompts for generating visuals, text to image prompts for generating thumbnails for the YouTube videos, etc. So the options are limitless. You can also check out different templates that they have in the template gallery. You can filter them out based on your own needs, sales, social media analytics, supply chain, etc. LLM pricing comparison, comparing different dev tools, a lot of options. And yeah, I think this is very cool, using a tabular format for making research. And actually the sky is really the limit. Once you start messing around with this tool, you understand how powerful it is. In terms of pricing, these are the pricing. I haven't really dived into the pricing, but I see here that they have like an ROI calculator, which is a cool marketing move. Anyway, in my opinion, I'm going to use it mostly for lead generation, and might use it as well for research of content and content strategy. But again, with a bit of creativity and checking out the templates, you can see that there are a ton of opportunities using this tool. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment below, like and subscribe. And until next time, keep on automating.